Good afternoon, everyone. Uncle Bill OGorman here at the Royal Nissan store on Route 281 in Cortland. And today, well, we have this absolutely stunning 2018 Nissan Frontier. This is the SV edition. This vehicle was sold by us new here at the dealership, and all the maintenance has also been done here at the dealership. Of course, it's a beautiful truck. It's got the towing package. It also includes the bed liner, the sliding rear window, tires, rims, everything on this vehicle is absolutely beautiful. It is in tremendous condition, and it's about to go on the lot. This is going to be available for sale. So if you are looking for a truck, and I know truck prices are high right now, this is going to make somebody a really great vehicle, and it's going to be a super value. So if you're looking for a truck, you're looking for four-wheel drive, this 2000 SV Nissan Frontier with just 19,500 miles on it is probably going to be just what you're looking for. So give me a call, Uncle Bill OGorman, 607-543-1215. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.